Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make one cute little gift box. For this we need one A4 sheet, some glitter sheets, glue and scissors. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will take a sheet measuring 10 by 10. After taking the sheet that measure 10 by 10, we will measure it 3 centimeter from one side and 3 centimeter from another side. We will make a crease of 3 centimeter. Same we will do from this side. We will make a crease of 3 centimeter. After making crease, we will cut paper from one side and from another side. After cutting this paper, we need some glue and we will put some glue here and we'll put some glue here just to paste these cuts inside and to give the shape of a box. Now we will paste these cuts inside and we will give a shape of a box. So our paper box is ready. Now we will take our glitter sheet that is measuring 7 by 27. After measuring 7 by 27 sheet, we will cut it and now we will make some crease. First crease will be of 7 centimeter. Mark 7 centimeter and make a crease of 7 centimeter. After this, we will mark from top that is 10 centimeter and we will make a crease of 10 centimeter. After this, we will mark 17 centimeter and make a crease at 17 centimeter. After that, at 20 centimeter. So after making these crease, we will ready one more sheet with the same crease. Okay, after making these crease, we will make two cuts, one in the first square and second in the last square, and we will keep it aside. Now we will take this sheet and we will paste this in the center square. Now let's paste this box in the center of the square. After pasting this, we will fold it according to the crease. Now we will take this sheet now and we will cut this sheet like this from the last square and we will make a U shape from the last square. We will make same one more U from this last sheet. So this is also ready. Now we will paste this sheet here from the center square. Let's spread some glue and we will paste this square in the center Now let's fold this square. First of all, we will fold this square like this. Now we will take our first square, first glitter sheet, and we will put these U in this cuts that we had already made in our glitter sheet. Now we will put this one cut in the U-shaped glitter sheet that we had cut, and we will lock our box. So our box is ready. You can open this box gently like this, and you can put your gift inside this box. This will be a very nice surprising gift. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.